Hello. This is Mr. Gary. Today, I want to share with you a tool I've been testing recently for generating AI videos. It's quite good and comes with many features. Today, we're looking at Veed, which you can find at veed.io by Googling it. Let's take a look at its basic functions. Here, you can create new project to start a new project, record video to record, and create an avatar of yourself, depending on your plan's level. It seems there are 3 different levels, and the more you pay, the more functionalities you get. Currently, my level doesn't allow me to create my own AI avatar. The Create Clips feature is excellent because initially, a long video will have AI automatically capture the highlights, which are the more exciting parts, and compile them into a 30-second or 60-second short for YouTube marketing or sharing, as people nowadays love scrolling through short videos on their phones. The shorter the video, the more likely they are to finish watching it. Next is AI Dubbing Translate, which translates your video into different languages. Then, there's AI Text to Video, which I've been testing a lot lately. You can take a PDF, a PowerPoint, or any text file, and turn it into a related video. It's pretty impressive. AI Edit Create Clips is also short clips. AI Text to Video converts text to video. And once again, there's the avatar feature. My current level doesn't allow me to use it. Next, we have Remove Background, which you might know is relatively easy for images these days, but it's quite difficult to remove backgrounds from videos. Generate Subtitles is another I've tested recently. I uploaded a video downloaded online because its content was great, and had it generate subtitles for me. My goal was to obtain a text file of the video's content. This approximately 1-hour video had its text file generated by uploading to this VID site in about 5 minutes. It's not 100% accurate, but it's about 95% correct, which is quite impressive. I got solid content this way, and by throwing this text content into AI for summarization, I can capture highlights of different subjects. The point here is, if I turn it into a 1-hour lecture course, can I then throw it into an AI system and have it design a 1-hour course for me? And if I'm too lazy to even make a presentation, can I throw it into a tool like Gamma to automatically generate an AI presentation for me? Okay, I just accidentally told you how to use AI software to connect everything into a smooth workflow, which we usually call SOP. Standard operation. A standard operating procedure like this can help you save a considerable amount of time in your workflow. AI dubbing translates the language of films. Slides to video, whether using PDF, PowerPoint, or other documents, can help you turn content directly into a video. Recently, a blueprint for AI in the future was announced by the White House in the US. It's a plan for the future of AI, intended to become a law. Currently, it's in the draft phase, so they released it for public view. There's also an interesting feature I haven't tried yet, called eye contact correction. Some people making videos don't always look directly at the camera, as they might glance at their notes. This feature allows you to correct the eye direction, making it seem like you are looking directly at the screen, even if you were originally glancing at your cues. Looking at the other person without the feeling of secretly reading this draft, this is quite impressive. Clean audio, which I haven't used yet, should help remove the background, okay? So that's about these functions. You see, I've made so many videos, all testing again, and testing again. I talk so much, you really have to test it yourself. So why are there so many tools on the market? I tested about 10 or so related ones. And then, mainly why in the end I decided to use this one, even though it costs a little bit. Because it's simple. First, you don't have to pay to test many features, and there are no restrictions. You can go ahead and test and use it. And of course, after testing and finding it useful, make you feel a bit guilty or indebted. So in marketing, the first thing is to offer the best product, making users think, wow, such a good product at such a low cost, or even for free, making them feel compelled to pay you something. At this point, it becomes the greatest selfish act not to consider it. Okay, so today I'm introducing this Veed website, hoping it's helpful to you. Feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next video. See you next time. Bye-bye.